I am a senior. We're up here at the Scenic Caves area. Collingwood still. I don't know if you guys watching the videos. We did the Caesars. What else did we do? The market. So we're here at the Scenic Caves, and this is what the park and mission is. So the two things we're trying to do is the twin zip, and there's a big bridge somewhere, right?
Yeah, the drawbridge. The peak right over there, you can see the water right through there.
Oh, that's it right there. Oh yeah, that's right. So we're just gonna go pay a ticket. Now when you first drive in and there's free parking up the hill, that's like the visitor center over here. You can buy your souvenirs and sweaters and use the bathroom and stuff like that, but the actual ticket buying area is over here. Running shoes, hiking shoes is mandatory. And oh, there's a little map of it, the area here. So this is the bridge. This is the bridge here we're gonna be going on to, and there's the zip line. So you start up a K, and you head oh.
Like it? Here, or is it that?
Oh, the
that's
twin.
line.
Yeah, the twin line we're going, all right? Kaylin. Is it Kaylin?
Kaylin, yeah.
How you doing, Kaylin?
Good, how are you guys?
Good.
We heard that you guys got free zip lines there. Is that true? No. Not today. We need two of the passes to get in to see to do the bridge and the zip line thing. Yeah.
And the zip line?
Well, yeah, the zip line.
Okay, so the zip line tickets are non-refundable if you guys back out, so you guys are positive on it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're positive.
Okay.
How's weather permitting though?
If it starts to rain, the zip line does close down.
Do
so
we get a refund that way?
I think it is a rain check that they give out.
Okay.
So you can come back, I think, anytime this year.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. And how much is it?
105.09 for the two of you.
That's for taxes and everything?
taxes and
So they're what, 46.50?
Yep, plus tax.
But she told me I'm a senior, so that's 44.20. You're lying, man.
I mean.
In the gift shop up the set of stairs, do your caves and caverns first, then the zip line is up top, then you'll get on a small zip line, you'll practice working the brakes and stuff, then you'll get on the big zip line and go down.
Oh, so we got a little course to take.
Yeah, like a little...
Oh, cool. All right. Thank you.
That doesn't include all-inclusive alcohol, you know? That's not a wristband like Cuba, you know?
There you go, and there's a map in the basket there.
Thank you.
Have a great day,
So we're
guys.
going back up this way here, eh?
Yeah, just around,
Around
that
here.
way.
Okay, thank you. Oh, it's a big chair there, boy. So we got a cave suspension bridge and mini golf. But, yo, lady, I didn't sign up for climbing any stairs, you know?
Who cares? We get to practice
Oh.
first.
It's a nice little water feature here. Got a concession area back here, and apparently gotta make our way up into the woods up there to catch the zip line. I think the caves are up there as well too. So this is the view looking out of the creepy refrigerator cave, and this is inside. Are you going in?
I'm gonna try.
Good luck. You get stuck.
Call 911.
911. Calling my mama, and I'm gonna go eat dinner down at her house.
That's creepy.
Wow.
There is
Here's
a
the thing.
light down there.
Well, people go through it, right? But what I was going to say is, it is high 30s Celsius, but 38 degrees Celsius out here. In here, according to what I just read there, it's 4 degrees Celsius. I can't believe it. Like you said, I'm standing here and the cold breeze is just hitting me. Wow. The views, you just keep getting more and more incredible. Them posing for Instagram and all kind of things there. So I ain't trying to mess with the thing. But I don't know if you guys can see the lines going down there. That's the zip line. It goes through the forest. I don't know. Thinking about this? I'm thinking twice. There's people over here for a second. I believe the tower is, I don't know if you guys can see it, up in the woods up there. Oh, nobody is. But anyways. Someone's going, man. Oh shit. So this is the sort of staging area for the zip line. I don't think I'll be able to take the camera with me, so you guys are gonna have to trust me that I did it once we get down to the bottom. Alright, so you do a little training area here and then you climb up there and you go for it.
Double-sided, you can witness for each other in the back. Okay. Pens behind you on the table. Great.
So, beautiful wood log cabin here. Signing off the waivers and getting outfitted for the actual deed now. And I'm back in the woods again. I guess the bridge isn't as close as I thought it was. Just walking down these stairs, but nice little day of exercise, I guess. Continue going down. Wait a minute. I gotta go all the way back up there when I come back. Jeez, son. Oh, forgot to look down, man. Yeah, it's a ways down there, boy. A little bit turkey because we're on the tractor now. All alone on the tractor, boy.